पाकिस्तान ने अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा में भारतीय मंदूब को करारा जवाब दे दिया। पाकिस्तान के मंदूब गुलकैसर सरवानी दो टोक अल्फाज में वाज़े कर चुके कि जम्मू कश्मीर भारत का अटूट अंग है और ना कभी था। कश्मीर एक मुतनाज़ इलाका है जिसका हतमी फैसला कश्मीरी अवाम ने इस्तिसवाब राय से करना है।
Jammu and Kashmir is not and has never been a so-called integral part of India. It is a disputed territory whose final disposition is to be decided by the people of Jammu and Kashmir through a UN-supervised plebiscite. India holds Kashmir by brute force with over 900,000 troops and paramilitary troops in the occupied territory, with one Indian soldier for every 8 Kashmiri men, women and child. India raises the bogey of terrorism to divert attention from its violation of international law in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. It is most ironic that India, which is committing the worst form of state terrorism in occupied Jammu and Kashmir, is portraying itself as the victim. And instead of maligning others for terrorism, India should reflect on its own campaign of orchestrating targeted assassinations, subversions and terrorism in foreign countries.